Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook error code 100. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. First of all, check if you are logged into your account correctly or not. First, let's go to the Facebook at first, and if anything like this is shown, then that means you are logged in correctly, and you can also log out to your Facebook account. Now what you have to do is clear the cache. In order to do that, simply go to settings at first and then scroll down, and as you can see there is an apps option. Simply tap on that and then go to the second option, that is manage apps. Now here what you have to do is search for Facebook. Open Facebook, and at the bottom right corner you can see a clear data option. Simply tap on that and tap on the clear cache option at the second option and then hit OK, and your caches will be removed. Now what you have to do is update the application. To update the application, what you have to do is go to Play Store at first, and then you have to search for Facebook. Right? Search for Facebook. Now sir, tap on Facebook, and as you can see there is already an updated version. So if there was an update, then simply at the side of the beside the uninstall button there will be an update button. Simply tap to update and then your Facebook will be updated. Then open the app and the problem you are facing will be solved. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.